Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over Bitcoin. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now today on my channel, I want to go over Bitcoin. I want to give y'all some information about Bitcoin. I want to share how I'm earning Bitcoin every single day. No matter what the market does, whether it goes up or down, I'm still earning a consistent percentage on Bitcoin every single day. I want to teach y'all how to do this, right? Just give y'all some game on Bitcoin. Now, as y'all may know, Bitcoin has dropped 17% in the last 24 hours, right? This has been the biggest drop in Bitcoin since March because Bitcoin has reached an all-time high, in its 11-year history. Bitcoin only been around since 2009, right? Bitcoin recently hit $40,000, right? It was hitting highs of like $41,000, right, per coin. It never hit this before, right? And I made videos explaining how Bitcoin this year is about to hit $100,000. The biggest bank in America, Chase Bank, they believe Bitcoin is going to hit $146,000 by the end of this year, right? I just want to give y'all a little game on Bitcoin because a lot of people see Bitcoin and they really don't understand it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I watch these markets and I've been in Bitcoin since it was worth $500, like back in 2015. So I understand like how Bitcoin fluctuates and I understand what's really going on. So what's going on in 2021 is the mass integration of Bitcoin. You're going to see Bitcoin accepted in more financial institutions and Bitcoin accepted on more payment processors, right? This is going to cause Bitcoin price to skyrocket all throughout this year, right? It's dropping right now because Bitcoin literally doubled in 1 month. It went to 20,000, then it went to 40,000, like literally in 1 month. So a lot of people that have been holding Bitcoin for a while, they're taking their profits, right? If you go on Coinbase, you will see the trading activity right here. 56% of people are buying and 44% of people are selling right now. So a lot of people are selling, more than normal. Like normally it'll be a high amount of people buying when the price is going up. So when you understand the game with Bitcoin and you understand that this coin is about to go to 100,000 due to the integrations of PayPal and Chase Bank and all of these different funds adding Bitcoin, as an option, right? Bitcoin is going to skyrocket this year, right? And we take all of that into account. You would know that Bitcoin is on sale right now. Bitcoin is on sale. It's 14% off. A lot of people, when they see the market and they see the red, they like, oh, it's trouble. They think it's over, for Bitcoin, but it's not. It's really giving you an opportunity to get a better entry point because Bitcoin is all about your entry point, right? If you entered in when it was $40,000, you lost 14% of that right now, but you still have a valuation of Bitcoin and you won't be back into the profit until it's over your entry point. So for example, if you enter in right now at 31,000 and then it go to 33,000, you're going to be up, but if it go down, you would lose money, but that's your entry point, the 31,000, that's your entry point. And that's the thing you have to beware of or keep mind of about Bitcoin is your entry point, right? Because you'll always have the valuation of Bitcoin, whether you buy 500, whether you buy 1,000, you always have that valuation in currency. But if the price drops, you won't see a profit, until it goes over your entry point. I want to explain how I'm earning a consistent 1% on my Bitcoin, no matter what the market is doing, right? And that's through a platform called Bankroll Flow. Now, on this platform, I explained in other videos, but basically, whatever you deposit on this platform, you get 1% back no matter what the market does. The market could go up and down. The price of TRX, the price of Banker could go up and down. You still will receive 1%. And this is how I'm earning Bitcoin every day, right? This is my game plan, is to compound my interest as Bitcoin goes through its ups and downs, right? And start really putting a lot of money into Bitcoin around June, because I'm telling y'all, if Bitcoin is not at 100,000 by June, it's gonna be at 100,000 by September. And you just gotta understand how Bitcoin works, the supply and demand. It does this every holiday season. It shoots up, then it comes down when people start selling and getting their profit. So you invest in Bankroll Flow, right? You can lock in that value and earn a daily percentage, right? As you can see right here, I got 350 locked in on here, and today so far, I made $3, and it's ticking. Like this ticks up every couple minutes. You will see the profit goes up, and it's always going up. And what I like to do, right, is I like to roll, right? So when you go on here and you roll the money, it puts your funds back in the deposit, and it increases your max payout. It increases how much you get paid out per day, right? And it's this thing called compound interest. When you continuously reinvest, you increase your deposits, right? And it's a lot that y'all got to understand with Bankroll, because this is a smart contract and it will never end. So, and it's really like a crypto bank. When you put in your deposit, they look at it as a certificate of deposit, right? And it helps the Bankroll network, the whole ecosystem, right? You got to do a lot of research on this, but this is the platform that once a lot of people find out about this, and they found out that you could deposit, $1,000 and make $10 per day off of that, right? If I go on to my other account, I got another account with them where I got 1,000 on it. Let's see how much I made on this one. Right, so I'm at like 800. The price dropped down. I got 1,000 BNKRX, but the price of BNKRX dropped down, but I'm still getting $10 per day. It's still gonna give me $10 per day. I just been rolling. I always roll my profits, and then it puts it back in the valuation, and my max payout goes up. So right now, I got 1,000 BNKRX in deposits, and it's gonna pay me out 4,000, right, worth of BNKRX. And the thing about this token is right now it's on sale too. This token is on sale, so I'm gonna buy more of this. Right, it's 72 cents. If we go to the get BNKRX, y'all gotta do research on this platform. Like, this is the one. But 72 cents, right? And it's really on sale. So this is a good entry point. Like, if anybody was thinking about buying in this platform, because let's say this shit go to $2.50, in the next couple months, it's a wrap, and the value of what you, like, your entry point, it's all about your entry point. Once again, I just want to explain that it's all about your entry point, right? When it comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to cryptocurrency, I like listening to people that's smarter than me, right? And there's a lot of people with Bitcoin that's doing this way smarter than me, man. Like, it's some dude on YouTube, his name is 3D Crypto. He talking all about this. He know all about it. He explained how it's a smart contract. The shit is literally a code, right? This shit is literally a code. Like, one person can be in here and it'll still operate the same. It'll still pay you out 365% of your investment, right? Passively. It's like it's doing some computer shit where it's mining BNKRX tokens, and it's paying you for being a part of the mine, for like supporting the mine. It's paying you 1% of your deposit. So whatever you can support them with, or reinvest in the company, they're gonna pay you back the 1% for 365 days. And every time you roll, it's like you restarting your 365 days. So this is gonna be big. This is gonna be big, and this is what I'm focusing on. I'm not holding my Bitcoin in the wallet. I buy my Bitcoin and I'm sending it over here, right? I'm sending it to one of these two accounts. So I made videos about this, but I have in the description a full explanation, full instructions on how to get started on Bankroll, right? All you gotta do, you gotta buy Bitcoin, then you gotta send it to what's called an atomic wallet, right? Then you gotta exchange your Bitcoin, right? You gotta exchange your Bitcoin for Tron, for this shit called Tron, right? And then you gotta go on Bankroll and you send your Tron to your wallet, right? You gotta send your Tron to your wallet, and then once it's on here, because you need this TronLink, right? You gotta download this TronLink on your Google Chrome. Once it's on here, you can just come on Banker and swap your Tron for BNKRX and put a deposit. And right now, to get in BNKRX, each token is 72 cents, man. This is a deal. This is literally a deal. It is on sale right now. So I'm hopping in this, because when this get $2.50, when this become 1,000 TRX to get in, and it's like $30 and the whole world rushing in, I'm gonna be in at a good position. I'm gonna be making a lot of money because I entered in at such a good position, man. That's what it's all about, is picking your entry point, right? If you pick the right entry point, whether it's in any type of investment, you will make money. So understand that. It's your boy Yon World. If y'all need help, right? I just want to show y'all this too. Look at the power of compound interest. So look, if you invest $1,000 and you reinvested everything for a whole year, right? That $1,000 will turn to $37,000 by next year, man. Right? Let's say if you did 50, like you took out 50% of it, you reinvested 50% of it, right? You would your total principal or deposit would have grown to $6,000, and you would have made $5,000, right? And depending on how you played the $5,000, like if you left it in Bitcoin or if you withdraw it, you could have made more money, right? Depending on what you invested, that $5,000, I probably said $5,000, right? That $5,000, right? $5,100 to be exact. So, yeah, man. Right now, I actually have, how much I got? $1,500 in valuation with them. So I'm gonna reinvest 100% of that, and I'm gonna turn that into 56,000, right? Now, a lot of people, these numbers may be a lot for some of y'all, but if y'all don't want to take the risk, y'all can live out the Bitcoin risk through me, right? And just subscribe to my channel. I'm about to be investing in Bitcoin all year. We about to be getting this money on Bankroll Flow, right? If you just want to watch from the sidelines, you can watch my channel, because I will be documenting the entire process. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.